Scientists have discovered a method to join metal foam together without causing the bubbles within it to melt. Greetings and salutations to everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing an exciting discovery made by researchers who have successfully developed a method for welding metal foam without causing the bubbles within the foam to melt. The team at North Carolina State University has recently unveiled a groundbreaking welding technique that allows for the seamless joining of composite metal foam, CMF, components, while still maintaining the unique properties that make CMF so desirable. This remarkable advancement ensures that the integrity of CMF remains intact. Without any further ado, let us dive into our in-depth exploration of this topic. A groundbreaking discovery has been made by the team of researchers from North Carolina State University. They have successfully uncovered a welding method that enables the seamless joining of composite metal foam, CMF components, while preserving the inherent qualities that make CMF so appealing. CMFs have immense potential across various industries due to their unique composition, which includes air-filled pockets that contribute to their lightweight nature, exceptional strength, and remarkable ability to insulate against extreme temperatures. Consisting of metallic spheres, CMFs are foams that are incorporated into a metallic matrix composed of steel, titanium, aluminum, or other metallic alloys. These hollow spheres, crafted from materials like stainless steel or titanium, contribute to the lightweight yet incredibly robust nature of the resulting material. The versatility of CMFs opens up a wide array of potential uses, including but not limited to aircraft wings, vehicle armor, and body armor. Furthermore, CMF surpasses traditional metals and alloys like steel in its ability to provide insulation against intense heat. The unique blend of lightweight composition, exceptional strength, and thermal insulation makes CMF a viable option for storing and transporting heat-sensitive materials such as nuclear substances, hazardous materials, explosives, and more. A challenge arises when manufacturers attempt to combine multiple CMF components in order to actualize various applications. According to Afsaneh Rabiei, a professor of mechanical and aerospace engineering at NC State and the corresponding author of a research paper, traditional fusion welding utilizes a filler substance to join two metal pieces. However, this approach presents challenges because the solid metal used for fusion lacks the desirable characteristics of the surrounding CMF. Moreover, welding methods that involve direct heat cause some of the porosity in the CMF to be filled, thereby compromising its properties. In summary, conventional welding techniques are not compatible with metal foams due to these limitations. A new and highly effective method of welding has been discovered by researchers. Known as induction welding, this innovative technique utilizes an induction coil to generate an electromagnetic field that effectively heats the metal for the welding process. According to Rabiei, the electromagnetic field can effectively penetrate the CMF due to its metal content of only 30–35%. This characteristic enables a strong weld. The remaining 65–70% of the CMF, which consists of air pockets, acts as insulation against heat. As a result, when using induction welding to join two pieces of CMF, the heat is confined to the targeted area without spreading out. This preservation of heat helps to maintain the properties of the CMF. Having a means of welding the components of CMF without compromising its attractive properties is crucial, as CMF's properties make it highly desirable for various applications, making this a significant advancement. Published in the journal Advanced Engineering Materials is a paper titled A Study on Welding of Porous Metals and Metallic Foams. This paper was co-authored by John Kantz and Zubin Chako, both PhD students at NC State. The research was conducted with the backing of the U.S. Department of Transportation's Pipeline and Hazardous Materials Safety Administration, specifically under grant number PH 957-20-075. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.